Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggypeg. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna try for the first time a new product and I'm gonna give you my review at the same time. So today's product that I'm gonna try is this African Pride pre-shampoo thing. Looks like that. So this was recommended for me like by a lot of y'all and a lot of people from Instagram also. Like this is a pre-poo, so you're supposed to use that before you shampoo your hair, and this is supposed to help detangle your hair. I never tried a pre-poo ever in my life, like a bought in the store pre-poo or a homemade pre-poo. Like what I usually do is just detangle my hair like with my comb, my brush, whatever, and then just go directly like to shampoo my hair. But today we're gonna try a pre-poo, so yeah, we're gonna see if it actually makes a difference, if it's actually worth it. So yeah, we're gonna try that. So this is what my hair looks like on my wash day. So this is like the low bun that I rock like for all week long, and yeah, on wash day like the hole from the gel is usually gone, but this is what my hair looks like. So I'm just gonna remove that. Oh, and by the way, I am 8.5 months post relaxer. Okay, my hair is sectioned, so I'm gonna start with that first quarter. So on the directions it says to use on dry hair, but everyone that I've seen on YouTube use it on damp hair, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna lightly apply some water so my hair can be a little bit more manageable. And work that water in. Okay, and now for the pre-poo. So the texture of it is like very slimy. This is disgusting, but okay, we're gonna try it. So I am focusing on my new growth, my natural hair, because that's where I have the most tangles. But I'm also gonna bring it all the way down to my relaxed hair. And this is crazy because it's very soft and I can actually feel the slip like right away. This is crazy. Okay, I don't know how much I'm supposed to use, but I want to try with that. So I'm gonna use my hair detangling brush from Hair my hair company, and I'm gonna try and detangle my hair starting from the bottom, of course. Yo, this is impressive. This is crazy. Wow, and I don't even have a lot of hair. Let me try and do it in a smaller section. Wow, my hair is like fully detangled and it looks and feels very moisturized. Okay, so this is all the shedded hair that I got from that one section, and as I said, this is like a week worth of shedding because I didn't comb my hair during the week. I'm sorry. So yeah, this is not a lot, and I know this is not breakage because I can see like the white thing at the end of each strand, so this is good. I'm done detangling out of my hair, and you don't even need a lot of products. Like this is where I'm at now, so yeah, I really didn't have to use a lot of products. So I just wanted to show you like how soft and moisturized my hair looks. Yo, this product is crazy. Let me show you again. I'm just gonna apply a little bit more. I feel like it's drying fast though, so you have to work like on detangling right after you apply the product, and I feel like it's drying faster on my relaxed hair than on my natural hair. But yeah, so let me just show you. So this section was already detangled, but so yeah, this product I recommend, especially like if you're transitioning and you have a lot of breakage when dealing with your two different textures. This will help a lot in the detangling process before shampooing your hair. So yeah, I don't know if it adds like any benefits to your hair, but the detangling process, it's helping like a lot. It may seem like a lot, but it's seriously not a lot because this is a whole week of shedding and I have a lot of hair. So yeah, this is not a lot. Yo, look at that. How soft. Anyways, yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like this video, to comment this video, to share this video with all your friends. And yeah, I'll see you in another one. Bye guys.